Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina, and today here I have my special guest, this beautiful variegated Florida Beauty that I'm gonna repot. It's been a struggle with this one. It has 3 variegated leaves and a full green leaf. And I'm like really sad because it lost most of its variegated leaves. That was me because I neglected it. I'm a bad plant mother, but I'm here and I'm back and I'm bringing it back to health. I recently put it in leca from Flubal Stratum, and it definitely took a hit. It got shocked and it lost a lot of its aerial roots. So I'm gonna repot it in a bigger pot so it can get more of those roots, and hopefully I could even put it in a pool in the future. So right now I'm taking out the leca and I'm gonna check the roots, inspect the roots, because I have a suspicion it has root rot and not all the roots are healthy. I am happy though because it looks like it has some healthy roots, so we're gonna find out. Okay, you guys, so here I'm taking all the leca balls out so it could be easier for me to cut and inspect the roots. But before I do that, I do wash all the roots because it's easier to take all the leca balls out. Take your time when you do this, you guys. Use a little water. Water will help take out all the leca balls so you don't damage any good roots. But yeah, here I see a lot of dark roots browning. You can see my facial expression, like I'm really like stressed because I see so many dark roots, but not to worry because it also has like beautiful white roots. So yeah, here I'm cutting all the root rot and inspecting the roots. You gotta make sure to take your time, squeeze all the roots, get all that root rot out because it will spread and eventually harm your plant. So I pretty much just want all the white roots. Yeah, so here I'm cutting, snipping, getting this Philodendron Florida Beauty back to health. So after I'm satisfied with me taking all the dead, squishy, dark roots, I give it another wash just to wash any debris, any root rot that may have been left in the plant. And we're gonna get it ready to repot again. And I'm repotting it again in leca. As you can see, all the roots are pretty firm. Some are even white and look pretty brand spanking new. I do still see a little bit of like the dark roots, but it's okay. They're not squishy. They're okay. They're part of the dark root branch, so I left them. And now I'm gonna repot it back into leca. Unfortunately, I cannot repot it in the same pot. It was too small. So here I'm looking for a bigger pot so it could have room to grow. And that stem that lost all the aerial roots can form new roots with the help of leca and water. So here we go. So with the leca, you want to make sure it's a third of the way up and not filled all the way to the top because the roots are not going to get water. And vice versa, don't have the roots all the way down because they're going to develop root rot because right now the plant is stressed. Eventually, yeah, the roots are going to touch the water, which is fine. But yeah, you'll figure it out, you guys. So here I'm pretty much done repotting the plant, I give it a little shake and back in its pot. And look how cute it turned out, you guys. So yeah, if you want more repots, please subscribe to my channel at Melina Glam. And in the next video, I will talk about all the stresses and the struggles with this plant. So keep watching for a little part 2, you guys. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you in my next repot. Mwah. Hey you guys, so here's my Florida Beauty. This is like days after the repot. It's looking healthier. It's definitely like yellowing in some parts, like right there and right there, but I saved it. It used to be so lush. I have a video when I first got it. It was doing really good. It was in Philodendron, but I decided to switch it to leca because, well, let me show y'all real quick. That right there is my Florida Ghost, a regular Florida Ghost. If you look at it, it has grown so massive. I need to do a video of like a comparison of before and after. It's growing in leca. You need to get this Florida Beauty in leca and have it grow. I took it out of Philodendron. It kind of looked a little stressed. Maybe I overwatered it or underwatered it, but I shouldn't have moved it to leca like looking kind of stressed. It was still beautiful, and I changed it, and then I neglected it on top of that. So I started a new relationship, and I spent a lot of time at my boyfriend's apartment, unfortunately. So, fortunately, well, I don't know, our relationship grew, but my plants have suffered. So, yeah, don't neglect your plants. Even if you have Bay, make him water your plants. Like, we had a long talk. We're definitely serious now, like really serious. So yeah, he's willing to water my plants. So have your boyfriend water your plants. Like, don't let him like not let you water your plants. But anyways, yeah, so I neglected it. I wouldn't water this, and that's why it lost so many of its variegated leaves. Now it has 1 variegated leaf, 2 variegated leaves, 3 variegated leaves, but it has a full green leaf. And I don't know, I bought it for its variegation, so I'm a little sad, but it's growing, it's looking better. This new growth point looks very variegated. If y'all can see right there, camera focus, look at that stem and the new leaves. So hopefully I'll get variegation. Yeah, it's been pretty easy care. Just if you're gonna switch it from a different growing media, make sure they're not stressed, because oh, well, they'll let you know. This was a very expensive plant. I bought it for something like $350 or something like that. And now you can find them for half the price. So I'm a little sad that they went down in price, but it's okay. But yeah, here's the Florida Beauty. I'll definitely keep you updated. Like I said, it's growing in leca. It has a little water reservoir. I don't even feed it that much either. I need to start feeding it. I'm probably gonna give it a pull like that one. I feel like that one took off because I gave it a pull. So definitely give your plants a pull because they want to grow upwards, especially this one. This is a Philodendron Florida Beauty. Philodendrons love to climb, especially this one. And then like if you give it a pull, the leaves are gonna grow bigger and prettier, and yeah, so hopefully I don't kill it. Yeah, so I don't know, you guys, like, I don't know, subscribe to my channel. I will show you all my dead plants, not all the Instagram plants that you see other YouTubers show you. I will show you my struggles with all my plants. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna be like, I'm that plant person that doesn't water their plants, and this is what I do to bring them back to life. So Oh, let me tell you before I wrap up this video. I can't talk. To save it, I pretty much just like check the roots, check for root rot. Like when you check for root rot, you gotta like squeeze the roots, and if they're healthy, they won't be mushy. And if you see some dark roots, just cut them off, keep all the healthy ones, and then put it back. Don't put too much leca, put just enough, and put the roots like down, but not too like low, because they're gonna get like what am I trying to say, they're gonna get mushy. Like put them like 3/4 of the way pretty much, and yeah, just keep checking on your plants. This is in my IKEA greenhouse still. I'm being more on top of my plants, so yeah, hopefully the next update, it'll have this new leaf and it'll be variegated, or even if it's not variegated, maybe a little variegated. Hopefully it's variegated. But yeah, I'm gonna nurse it back to health, and yeah, it's winter time, so that's another excuse I have, I guess. But yeah, if you like this update and this repot, please do subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I'll have new videos, updates on this plant. And yeah, it was nice like talking to you about my plants. Hopefully you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos of my plants. And yeah, follow me on all of my social media if you want to see some of these plants, or Bear who's gonna water my plants, if you want to be a chismoso, a gossiper, like yeah. Anyways, yeah, follow me at Melina Glam on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But anyways, you guys, thanks for being here with me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.